Hello friends, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to talk about Cadila Healthcare pharmaceutical company. So here the market capital is 480.02 billion and it has given a closing of 470.40 with a really good momentum, almost 2.66% up today. Okay, so looking at the pharma sector, so if you look at the pharma sector overall, almost all the pharma stocks are doing really good, and few of the pharma stocks are almost at 52-week high. The reason is only one, that is Omicron, because all over the world there is a fear of Omicron, and because of that there are so many companies who are launching their vaccine and drug, and they are getting approval on so many medicines. Okay, so because of these things, even Cadila Healthcare is getting benefited because it has its own domestic business where they launch their vaccine and drugs. Okay, so now on today's date, 29th of December, there is a target of 720 by Sher Khan on Cadila Healthcare. So what they are talking about, so what they're saying is like Sher Khan is bullish on Cadila Healthcare, has recommended buy rating on the stock with a target of price 720 in its research report. Okay, so what do they say? So as per them, Cadila Healthcare domestic business is on strong footing to stage double-digit growth going ahead, driven by strong show across domestic formulation and consumer wellness segments. So as we know, the Cadila Healthcare has gone over the year, the stock has given really good momentum, and we have seen it is in double-digit growth. So now there is a Omicron, and because of that, Cadila COVID portfolio comprising vaccines and drug is also expected to add the growth to the domestic business in the light of emerging new variant of concern, Omicron. Though there has been some, the business has been impacted due to the competitive pressure. There are so many companies who are indulged into the medicine like drugs and vaccine for Omicron. So many research are going on, and that is the reason there is so much competition. But still, apart from this thing, from medium to long term basis, Sher Khan does see there is a really good growth and opportunity for Cadila Healthcare, and that's the reason they have given such a good target for Cadila Healthcare. Now let's have a look at the Nifty index. So when we are looking at the Nifty index, this resistance trend line, it shows resistance. So we have seen since November the Nifty Pharma index was continuously falling, and now here what we are seeing is like from here it is showing some reversal sign. So there is a strong green candle, and after that we have seen a bullish trend over here. But now at this stage, which is around 14,041, there is a little bit of struggle, but if this resistance is sustained or it is crossed, then we can see easily around 40,800 near, or we might see around 15,000 level in pharma indices. So this is all about the Nifty Pharma index. Now let's have a look at the Cadila stock. Okay, so when we are looking at this is a daily chart. First let me go here, the resistance trend line, as we have seen, just like the pharma indices, from after July it is in continuous downfall, and for 1 or 2 months it was in consolidation phase. So the stock was ranging between 450 and 470, but today it has made a strong bull candle. It's showing a bullish candle over here, but still, until and unless we are not breaking this resistance line, still we are awaiting for the bullish trend or bullish reversal over here. So what we are expecting, so whenever you see this trend line over here, it shows the support of 450. So whenever you see this Cadila Healthcare stock is ranging near 450, it's really good opportunity because this stock has consolidated over here. So if you find this near 450, it's a good opportunity to buy this stock or just average your stock. But as and when it crosses this hurdle of 480, so there is a 480 hurdle, and this is a resistance trend line. The moment it crosses this 480, the immediate target we can see is 510, because if you see over here, there is a resistance, here is also resistance, and here is also resistance. So here can be a resistance seen, but the first target would be for 510, and if it's sustained over here, the chances are it might sustain because of all the pharma sectors are doing good, and the pharma index is also showing the bullish reversal pattern, and it's going to be a breakout for this trend line, resistance trend line. So if it's sustained over here, the next immediate target would be 570. The reason 570, because you see here is a resistance, one more resistance, so continuously resistance over here. So after 510, if it sustains, the next target would be 570, and if you are keeping this stock for a long term purpose, then will have to review this stock at 570. If it sustain over here, then we can see almost around 650 also, which was the high for this year. Okay, so if you are a long-term investor, I would say if you have taken this stock at almost like 570 or 650 level, you can average it over here at this level, because there is a nice consolidation and base has formed over here, and the chances of going downside is very low. So you can average it over here. But if you have not invested and you are willing to invest, you can buy this stock around 450 to 480 range, and you can keep it a short term target of 510, 570, and long term you can go for 650. I hope you like this video, and if you like it, please like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.